Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Donna Ai. In order to do so, here we are at musicdonna.com. And what's Donna all about? Well, you can unleash your creativity with Donna Ai. It's the AI song generator you didn't know you needed. Whether you're an established artist or just a music enthusiast, you can easily turn your ideas into unique, personalized songs in minutes. You can download it on the App Store, or you can also get it on Google Play Store. Create songs with a description, create songs with lyrics. If you can hear it in your head, we can help others hear it too. Step into a world of music created by you and others and build your perfect playlist. With Donna Ai, you can find unique songs from fellow creators, and your songs can get discovered by them. Curate your own soundtrack, mix genres, share your vibe. Your redefined music journey starts here. And if you are interested, head over to the App Store, or you can get it on Google Play. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription to help you get started. And don't forget to check out our YouTube playlist that's all about Cintra. Will give you everything you need to know. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up your account, and you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.